Harmonic Trader 5.0 pattern, introduction to harmonic patterns. The 5.0 pattern. Looking at two illustrations here of a bullish and bearish harmonic 5.0 pattern. Now, these two structures are outside of the normal M and W harmonic patterns most people know, such as the bat, the crab, the Gartley. But these non-M and W price structures are similar to zigzag structural price formations, but possess harmonic ratio and ABCD measurements. These are the critical minimum structural measures that define the zones of harmonic support and resistance in these cases, and we utilize that structure as a measurement framework for assessing the reactions versus larger continuation reversals. This bullish 5.0 pattern starts out typically with an extended down move 0 to X, followed by a pretty tight consolidation XAB here. And then this is where the pattern really begins to take shape, is this XAB realizes an extended sharp move. Now you're not going to see that it's even developing until we're broken out above the A point and we get to this area of a 1618.224. Now that's called an extreme impulse move. But that sets up this quick pullback here to the minimum 50% level and then sets up for a potential reaction or even a larger continuation. Here's the Australian dollar. This is on a 60-minute chart. Notice this tight 0 to X AB consolidation here. 0 to X extended down move. Then the stock or the market bottoms here. This currency pair bottoms at XAB down at this 95 level. After that bottoming phase, B to C is a pretty sharp 224 extension, and it should look like that type of an extreme move. Now, this is where the pullback and where we actually look at a different type of ABCD. We look at this reciprocal A to B, C to D move. This first thrust down that preceded the large move, that's pretty significant. And we want to take that distance and project it from that C to D point. That's more of an approximation, but helps define the general area for where that structural pullback should occur, and then the 50% level right in there. The potential reversal zone is going to look like a combination of those measurements, as well as the B to C and the 618. Now we look at the reciprocal ABCD as well as this 618. That sets us up and creates a zone here between the reciprocal ABCD and the larger 618 retracement. That sets us to where then we can take this larger reaction on the pullback and assess it between the approximated ABCD, as in this case. Now, I didn't show the 618 in this instance, but that helps to define the stop loss. It really is a matter of hitting the minimum 50% level as well as the reciprocal ABCD. Here's that potential reversal zone. And look, here's where the D point, that completes right there around 97.80. The 50% level is 97.50. That zone is where we're looking for that continuation. Bearish structure is a similar situation where you have an extended move, 0 to X, pretty sharp, but then you get that tight consolidation phase again, followed by a hard thrust of the B to C move down. Again, this combination sets up this rather shallow retracement that can lead to a large continuation. This is British pound Canadian dollar on a 30-minute chart. And we see that exact structure. From 0 to X, we have that initial thrust phase, and then XAB pretty tight, followed by that down move down to a 2.0. This sets us up right at the 50 level for that potential reversal zone. And again, that reversal zone combines a 618 BC measurement. We're focused on where the reciprocal ABCD and the 50% minimums hit, and in that area, but we also are going to consider that 618 level. Here's that 618, the red line is that 618 level overlaid. Here's the 50% level, and then our reciprocal ABCD that's kind of low. And the good thing about that approximation technique is that it gives us an indication of whether we should favor the 50% level or look above the 618. For the 5-0, we want to focus primarily, though, on that 50% level. That has to be tested. Now, there's more information, more webinars on harmonic patterns and the 5-0 in particular at harmonictrader.com. You can sign up with this free membership. The basic membership is free. Go to harmonictrader.com, sign up there, and get more information about all the harmonic patterns.